Have you ever wondered why money seems to slip through your fingers, no matter how hard you try to save it? While for others, it flows effortlessly, as if it knows its way home. The secret doesn't lie in your bank account, nor in luck, but in a silent story written deep within your mind when you were only 6 years old. A story you might not remember the details of now, but it is the invisible engine driving every financial decision you make. We do not see money as it is. We see it as we are. If you grew up in an environment where you constantly heard that money is the root of all evil or that the wealthy are inherently dishonest, your subconscious mind may have planted a defense mechanism to protect you from wealth, so that in its eyes you remain a good person. This is what we call the secret script, the first link in the chain of your financial limitations. But the strange part is not just the existence of this script, but what it does to you the moment you start to succeed. Have you ever noticed that whenever you receive an unexpected sum of money, a sudden, unforeseen expense appears? Or perhaps you feel an overwhelming urge to spend it on something you don't truly need. This is your financial thermostat. It is an internal regulatory device that rejects any increase in wealth that exceeds the safety zone your mind has become accustomed to. If the temperature of your fortune rises above that set limit, your brain will subconsciously sabotage you to bring you back to the financial cold you were raised in. It is an endless cycle of trying and failing, not because you lack the skill, but because you lack the internal permission to possess. This brings us to the most important question: are we condemned to this past forever? The truth is, awareness is the first step toward liberation. When you realize that your fear of paying bills is merely an echo of your parents' old fears, the code begins to break. Money is not an enemy. It is simply energy that flows to those who stop resisting it. Start today by observing how you feel the moment you touch a banknote or pay for a service. Do you feel a sense of contraction or a sense of expansion? That very feeling is the key to your future programming. Make peace with the idea that you deserve abundance without feeling guilty, for money in the hands of a calm soul is a tool for peace, not for noise. However, even if you heal your psychological relationship with wealth, there is a hidden thief waiting in the shadows, emptying your pockets slowly and without a trace. This thief doesn't care how much you earn. It only cares about making you lose the value of what you already have. In the next lesson, I will reveal this silent enemy and show you how to turn it into your greatest ally, building your wealth while you sleep. Stay quiet, stay calm, for our journey into the depths of money has only just begun. The lesson is simple, yet profound. True freedom starts from within.